Here's a tutorial on how to import facial animations from GTA 4 to 3ds Max. You'll need GIMS 4 to import the animations and you'll need Open4 to export the animations. Here I have already imported the animations for the shoes. You probably already know that the importer works well for the rest of the character, but let's see what happens when you try to import the facial animations. You'll get this error saying that there's an unsupported block type 21 and the import will fail. To fix this, locate the head animation file. Here I'm trying to import the player animations, so I'm interested in this player_head animation. Next, download this fixer program that deletes all the unsupported blocks of data from the animation file. I've already downloaded mine, and I have the copy of the player head animation file there. Open the bat file and drop the head animation file in it. Press enter a few times. It should spit out the fixed version. Then remove the fixed from the file extension and rename it so you know it's the corrected file. Copy the file and paste it into the folder with all the other animations. I'll delete the old head animation since I won't need that anymore. And rename this one. Now try importing it again. This time it should succeed without any problems. Well, as you can see, there are a few times when the animation seems to spaz out, but that won't happen when going frame by frame, meaning it won't appear in the final renders provided you aren't using motion blur. To attach the head to the body, just use the align tool. You won't have to do all the bones, usually just the spine, neck and the head bones. Here's the final result when rendered. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching.